Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If this is not your first time, you know the drill. Thank you so much for stopping by as well. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any fun videos from my channel. And so today's video, so I collabed with a beautiful makeup art, a beauty blogger on Instagram. If you haven't seen that video, make sure to click the card up above. Sorry, that's tautology. Click the card above and also check the description box for a link to that video as well as her own video. Today's video is going to be a very simple look, and because I'm going to be filming like one more look with this, I don't want to spend so much time. And for the purpose, because the look is a very simple look, I'm not working with glitters and whatnot. I'll be doing my face first, and hopefully we'll take it from there. To prime my face, I'll be using this too. This is the Zaron Cosmetics Oil Mattifier, and this is the Awaron Care Face Primer. I'll be using this on around the parameters of my face, and I'll be using this on my T-zone. So just in case you don't know, I also talked about this. Oh, you're supposed to shake it. I also talked about this oil blocker on my previous video, so go check it out in case you're interested in knowing what this is about. You're actually supposed to moisturize your face properly before this. Because under my eyes is actually very dry, and as I said, I missed a step. I'm supposed to moisturize my face first, but I'm just telling you just in case. I'm gonna put this on here. So once we've done that, I'm just gonna wait for this to dry properly before going ahead to apply my foundation. The reason why I'm doing that is because this is actually milk of magnesia, but branded into Zaron whatever, and ideally it's always very good for you to wait for a couple of minutes for your primer to really go, let your skin to absorb the moisturizer or primer that you've applied on your face. Basically let it dry up, and that way it's able to hold on to the foundation for much longer. I'm just gonna plump my lips using this lip plumber by Insta. It's really good. It has like a tingling, peppery sensation that helps to, when you eat something that is very peppery, you suddenly feel. Next, I'll be using the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Cappuccino. Concealer in Beautiful Bronze. I'm going to be highlighting, and to highlight I'll be using the Color Pop concealer in the shade Medium Dark 32, and this concealer is really good. So because it dries really fast, I'm going to be working in sessions. My face with the Sacha Buttercup. shade HW37. Next, I'll be setting the rest of my face, like all the parts of my face, with powder, and then dusting off the excess under my eyes and what's not. So next, for blush, I'll be applying the classic blush. Into the Ewarunke eyeshadow palette. I'm using this burnt brown orange